guys, it's Sweety Pie and welcome back to my channel. Today is kind of going to be like a very impromptu video and probably, I don't even know if it'll be 10 minutes, but I just finished my Get Ready With Me. I used the Huda Beauty Nude Palette. I got a ColourPop package in the mail, so I'm kind of actually really excited. And yeah, so I thought we could unbox it together. There's a few new things. There's one big thing coming soon, and I'm super excited. If you are on my Instagram, you will know what I'm talking about. But yeah, today I'm going to open up this for you guys. I haven't even touched it, and I will say that before you watch this whole video, there is an eyeshadow palette in here, but I'm not going to be swatching it in this video because I need to take pictures of it, guys. I'm sorry. But yeah. Let's dive into this. I always think like unboxing videos, like what if something's broken? I've never had anything. Oh Jesus. Okay, so my order form just flew out. And then, oh, little ColourPop card. This one says, "You're the gift that keeps on Thanksgiving. XOXO ColourPop." Canada has their Thanksgiving quite a bit earlier than the States. Okay, different bubble wrapping this time. I don't know if they're doing something different or... Oh, how cool. Okay, so... This is so cute. Okay, so obviously, okay, this package took a while to get to me, and I think it's because of the Canada Post and all that good stuff. They actually put in one of their ultra glossy lips, and it says, "Sorry we're late, XOXO ColourPop." Oh my gosh, that is an amazing marketing ploy. Like, that makes me feel really good. I can't wait to take a picture of that. But let's see what the color is. This is in WeHo, and it's a cream. I've never had one of their ultra... Ooh, it's pretty. It is pretty. Well, we can definitely swatch this. Let's throw a little on. I do not have a mirror either. Oh, highlighter. Okay, this is definitely helping out that liquid lipstick I had on because I had some soup, but this is a really pretty, and it's like, it's not super pigmented, but it does have some pigment to it. I am so happy I got this. I'm excited. Thank you, ColourPop. That was really sweet of you. Alright, let's dive into the actual goodies that I'm excited about. That was just like a bonus. Okay, so the first thing that is kind of boring is I got the No Filter Foundation Stick. I am a stick foundation junkie, so of course I had to pick this up, and I was making an order anyway. Oh, there we go. Mine I got in light 67 neutral. Let's see if I was even close. Oh. Ooh, that's a little dark. Oh, maybe not. I actually might be able to get that to work. It almost blends in with my hand. I will make it work anyway. But it does look like it oxidizes a little bit, because look at how dark it is compared to the top. So that should tell you something a little bit. But yeah, excited, trying not to get it super dirty because, you know, pictures. I'm an Instagram picture freak. Everyone knows it. Let's get some baby wipes. So yeah, I'm excited to use that. I hate buying foundations online though. Like, you know, it just... especially on like not a whim, but you know, I wasn't planning on buying it, so anyway. So the next thing that is like just staring me in the face is the, oh, what is it called? The Glitterly Obsessions Body Glitter. I had to get one of these glitters. People were talking about them, and I was like, I need a glitter. And, ooh, this one is so cool. Okay, so, like, how cool is that? I'm trying to have it not focus on my face. Let's pull it out. Ah, I'm so excited. It has, like, a pretty, ooh, it's jiggly. So let's just take some off the lid, because there's quite a bit on the lid. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. It has like pinks and peaches and little silver. Oh, I can't wait to use this. And it seems to stick pretty good to my hand, so, you know, might stick pretty good to my eyes. Do they have a warning about that? Let's see. No. It does not say not for eyes. But in all honesty, it does say body glitter. So honestly, there is probably some sort of thing that says don't use it on the eyes. Because like those are some pretty large particles. Although they're not like super scratchy. I don't know. Don't take my advice. Do not put this on your eyes if you can't. But this is so pretty and cute, and the packaging is adorable. I love ColourPop. They're so cute. Alright, the next two things that I got were these Jelly Much thingamabobas. The packaging is very holographic. Like, ColourPop is definitely going holographic. And I haven't bought anything from them in so long. I cannot wait to get... Ooh! Ah! Okay. When you see that, you're just like, ah, okay. I've got glitter all over me now. So it comes in like almost the Super Shock formula, like of container. There is a pull top on it. This is the one in Into the Focus. Oh, I'm excited. And pull up. Oh, ooh, it's like on the lid. Something fierce. It needs to settle for a bit, but I do want to swatch it. Oh, what the heck? This formula is so weird. I'm excited to use this. Okay, let's put the lid back on it. And I'm going to let it settle, but let's just swatch this. Oh, see, I knew they'd be pretty pigmented. This one, now, Melissa, get up. See that? That was pretty good for like one little swipe. Now, this one is a bright pink, if I'm not mistaken. And this one, they never put it on the actual packaging. I busted a nail, but thank goodness I did, or I would not be able to get into any of this packaging. So yeah, this one is in No Rest for the Vivid. And as I said, it's a pink. I knew it was, because I remember going on the site and being like, I need that one. And yes, this may stain your lids. I don't know. We're going to use all this stuff in a new video coming up. Okay. Oh my gosh. This looks insane. This looks amazing. I'm trying to kind of get a little bit on my finger. There we go. Close the lid. It's actually pretty mess-free as well. Oh, Lord. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. We've got to use this stuff on camera really soon. I promise I'm going to take pictures of it and swatch it, and then we will use it on camera, and I'll probably stick most of this stuff into one review video because I do have something else coming soon. So I don't know, like I may make just a single review on the foundation, but I'm so excited, guys. Oh, I'm so excited, I'm excited. Next item, I have two left. Oh, I can't believe that we got something for free from ColourPop. Hey. Okay, so I bought one of their Super Shock Cheeks. I have never tried this formula. This one is in Never Been Kissed. Oh, let's get in that packaging. Oh, this one's so pretty. It's so hard to tell on the website. I can totally tell you that. It's a really pretty peachy shade. And of course, I'm not going to swatch it because I really don't want to ruin it. And if I end up being able to get swatches done before I edit this video, I will try to put swatches in, but I cannot promise that because so many, I want to film so many videos and, you know, putting everything in is hard. Oh, no, Melissa, don't take it out. Okay, so first of all, this is the Chasing Rainbows palette. This is the first palette I bought in a long time from ColourPop, but I don't think I'm going to even keep it in the packaging. I usually take the ColourPop singles out and put it into another palette, which is what I'll probably do, you know, after a while. But I'm going to try and, you know, I'm going to use this palette just on its own. Let's see what it looks like inside. So it's got the cellophane on it, which is really pretty. And it gives it that iridescent look, which it's still very pretty. And they're even raising their palettes. Very pretty packaging. Oh, it's so pretty. These are some really gorgeous shades. These are the kind of shades that like call to me. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's one little nick on blurred lines. Look at that, but the palette is almost absolutely perfect. That is what I'm looking for. And it says, keep your head in the clouds. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited to use this palette. And thank you, ColourPop. That was really sweet of you. If you're, let's be serious here. Girl, they ain't watching. But yeah, this was a totally impromptu video. And tell me if you guys like these kind of shorter videos. I think I'm going to do another one. Pretty much right after this, I'm going to swatch the entire line of the Physicians Formula Healthy Lips. There's actually a holiday set that gives you every single shade in a mini. So yeah, stay tuned for that, or if it's up, I will post it somewhere around here. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching and, you know, unboxing this with me. Yeah, I love you guys so, so much. Bye!